Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Good day to you and welcome. Today I'm trying out a new color palette and we're going to do a bloom. So let me tell you about my colors. The first one is a Naples by Amsterdam, Naples Yellow Deep, but I added to it by Liquitex unbleached titanium to lighten it up just a little bit. On top of that, from Primary Element, is Pixie Dust. And then I made a custom tan color. And then we have Paynes Gray. Okay, so, and then we're going to be using a white cell activator. So let me open these up and we will get started. How's everyone today? I hope you're all well. Yes, I'm doing well. Tomorrow I take off for a few days with my daughters for a little girl road trip up north, up Truckee, Northern California. Okay, pillow paint. We need pillow paint. I'm going to be using Multi-Pro PPG. It's an eggshell. And let me put some on. All right, there we go. This is just an 8 by 10. I'm using a small canvas because it's just a trial actually of this color palette. Don't know how it will turn out. Might turn out just beautiful. All right. Wipe my hands. Okay, let's start with Naples Yellow and unbleached titanium. I'm gonna make them small because usually what ends up happening is I used way too much paint. This is to add some sparkle to it. The pigments have a nice sparkle. Okay, and this tan color, not sure about this. More like a taupe, but we'll see. Okay, now Paynes Gray. All right, and our white cell activator. Okay, can you see that halo? That's a good sign. Now, today I think I'm going to be using my smaller, where'd it go? Blow dryer. It's the world's smallest blow dryer. So we'll try that today. All right, let's do this. Turn down the volume for a little bit. Okay, I like that. Okay, let's let that sit for a second. I do like that color combination. Quite a bit white right there. But we'll work with it, right? I'm looking for some more neutral palettes, black and white, with maybe one additional color, or for a mixed media piece that I want to make, and so I need to try out some colors. I don't know if I really want to make this into a flower because actually let me blow out just a little bit more. Because what I'm going to be using is not a flower for my mixed media piece. Well, I didn't really do anything, but okay. I'm going to spread some of this out. All right. Now let's see what happens when let's get it center. And we spin this out. Okay, well, I'm looking for a little more. Maybe I'll try this again. Not as much white cell activator, but more of the Paynes gray. So let's try this again. Okay. Again, we'll start with the custom color. And since I'm not making a flower, maybe I will just use more paint. I'm going to use more Paynes gray this time. All right. And now for the cell activator. All right. Let's go. Okay, that definitely is giving me more of the depth that I wanted. So I lost some of that color over here, but when it spreads out, things come alive. I think on this one, I'll just kind of do that. We'll see how if that adds to it as we spin it out. Okay, let's spin it out. Oh, I didn't even have, well, that's nice. Nice. Okay, I got some white dots there, so let me take care of that. Let me see how much paint. I like this. And I'm thinking, what other color maybe I could use? I wonder how this would look with the Prussian blue instead of the Paynes gray, and maybe use a different pigment also. But for now, I like this. It's dramatic. I need to make a large one though. And okay, well, thank you for watching and just exploring fluid art with me. And I will get you down for a close-up. And we'll see.